That's what you get. Ooh, I know you cold though. I don't feel bad. I don't feel bad. I thought she was gonna fall down somewhere, like the river or something.
Do not be laughing at me right now.
Oh my goodness, what happened? Is this the same dude? Oh, is they finna show it? Oh my gosh! That is, this game never ceases to amaze me. Look like they just. Is that her phone? No.
Oh, for fuck's sake, god damn it! What? Those...
No, no, no. No, no, no.
Hey! Yeah, Rex! That means you!
No, no. Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! Chapter 4. It's getting heavy now.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! What the fuck?
Now he wants to grab the gun.
Jessica!
Now he wants to grab the gun.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Jess! Jess!
Ain't no way that big dude moving that good. Like, how long did it take you to get up and grab the gun? We gotta risk it for the biscuit, bro. Catch up. You gotta catch up to her. Let's focus up, focus up, focus up. Oh my god. That was not supposed to happen. That was not supposed to happen. I kind of screwed that up. Yeah.
Damn it! Jessica!
But it's the mouse, bro. It's throwing me off.
Jessica!
Why is it there? It's never there. But now it is. Oh, yeah. You can see him? She's alive. Bro, look over and shoot the grabbing her. Look, she not dead. She's not dead. Jump, dog. Jump, 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 man.
Shit! Fuck, 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 fuck.
Go, 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 go. Come on, man. Move it. Move it. Ah! Oh my gosh. It's getting faster.
Come on.
Shimmy, jump. No, jump. You gotta jump, dog.
Okay.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. How is he not caught up to this dude? I can't risk it, bro. He's gonna die. He's gonna die if I risk it. I can't risk it. How is bro moving so fast with her, struggling? There's multiple of them, right?
I'm coming.
She just went quiet.
Jessica!
Imagine if this rifle don't work. Okay.
Jessica! Jess! No! Oh, God!
She's dead.
No, Jessica.
Is it because I fell in the water, bro?
Oh, my God. Jess!
Oh, no, she's still
Are you
alive.
okay?
Help.
Jessica! What the fuck?
Oh my gosh, bro. Goofy ass. Did I hit him? Did I hit him? They really trying to get me, man. Like I said, it was connected to my keyboard, bro. That's why I fell in the water.
Okay. Okay.
Come on. Oh no! Don't fall. Come on, Mike. Kind of crazy he didn't go after the girl, though. He just accepted that she dead, or... Who was that?
Shit.
There he is.
Somebody on your... I'm finna say, I thought I heard somebody on his left. What do? Do you shoot him? Wow.
I just gotta make it.
I didn't shoot on purpose, by the way. Because I don't know who it is. Why would I just shoot? What happened to the alien sounding thing? So the fact that he got so much ambition to chase the guy, it's more than one, bro. It's more than one. He don't know that, though.
Safety first. Hell, that's our motto. Mm-hmm.
Why is he saying it like that? Like he's just calm and now he's walking again? Why he say it like that? Your girl just fell down an elevator chute. None of these totems is telling me nothing, bro. It's really not. Unless I'm just missing it, bro. I'm not getting information from them. It's starting to frustrate me. Hopefully they connect soon. Because right now, it's not telling me snot. So the guy he was chasing just went right back out into the snow. Wow. Did they really have it because I fell in the water, bro? That was so unfair.
Jesus. Fuck is that place?
Why are you talking normal like your girl? Like you didn't just see it. I swear.
What the?
Oh, so he didn't take dude. He just took the girl. Knocked his ass out and took the girl. Okay.
Ashley?
And he got a bruise on his head. They seem to like the females. I agree. But it's like, what are they doing with the females type stuff, though?
Oh, shit.
It
No.
looked like they just want to kill him. But it doesn't, you know what I'm saying? It's weird. Like, why not kill him? Or take him?
Ash?
But he took the girl. Again, I don't have a run button. I mean, he wouldn't be able to run right now anyways, since he got knocked up unconscious. It's crazy how...
What in the hell?
It's crazy how none of them are talking about leaving the mountain.
Who would do this?
Oh, now it's creepy, huh? Before it would have been a prank. It would have just been a prank.
Oh, shit.
Like you said, well, where is the survival instincts? Like Raspy said, I can't seem to save anybody right now. Escalade recommended it, and kind of happy he did, even though, you know, I don't really mess with scary games. This one is an exception. The storytelling is very good.
Ash!
Skill issues. Shut up. Bro don't even know
Ash?
where he's going. He's just going. No one's talking about getting off the mountain. No one suggested it. No one. Like if I was him type stuff, you know? Like I know I really like that girl. I know he really liked that girl. But if I wake up and she got taken and I see blood all over the, you feel me? I see blood all over the wall. Again, it tells me nothing. And I see blood all over the wall. My first priority is to get out of there and call the police. Finally, some light.
Ash!
Could you please stop yelling? You got knocked out. Somebody out here is dangerous.
Ashley!
Oh no, dude. No.
God damn it.
Please help me.
I'm coming, Ash. Just keep talking to me. What happened?
Chris, he tied me up. Chris, are you there?
Hello, and thank you all for joining.
It's the Jigsaw Man. Nah, let me stop. Hey, yo, that kind of sounded like it though. Wait a minute. So I'm interested in what you're gonna think of Undertale. I know you've been waiting. It is a Jigsaw moment though. Crazy.
A little experiment. Sort of test.
No, it is. No, this is like actually Saw.
Test subjects. Joshua and Ashley.
What?
Oh my God.
We're gonna need one more brave participant to help.
Ain't no way they biting off Saw. Yo, this is nuts. This is so crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
Which subject will live and which will die.
Yo, this game is crazy.
Can't
do this. Let me
Please.
down from here, you
I don't know why I'm smiling.
Down. It's all very simple.
I'm not gonna be able to watch them die. I'm not gonna
You'll
lie.
find a lever placed directly in front of you. All you have to do is
I knew it.
you will save.
I knew it.
Get me out.
Who do I choose?
I'm to the right.
Okay. This is gonna be okay. Oh crap.
No!
Let's just think about this.
This is not right.
Can't let me die.
Just give me a second.
No. They're both gonna die. I don't have a time. Okay, good. Who dies, bro? He got a crush on that girl, dude. I feel weird about Josh, man. How does he live on this mountain and not know nothing about this stuff? Oh my gosh. I don't know. Oh, I think we gotta save Josh, bruh. I think we gotta save Josh, man. Like if he gonna make it out alive, he not gonna make it with Ashley. But I'm sorry, but he liked that girl too, though. Save your girl, dude. I know. Oh my gosh, this is so. Oh no. I was smiling until I realized what I would have to do. And the game's like, you're not moving forward. We're not even gonna give you a timer, dog. Choose. Freak! It's the, you're not helping, Graspy. Why is it so hard? Nah, I'm saving Josh. I'm saving Josh, bro.
Chris, please. Oh.
I'm so sorry.
This is insane. This is nuts that happened. Chris, please tell me this is it.
Why are they giving me another job?
I don't know what to do. Bro,
Oh shit, it's moving. It's moving. They're both gonna die.
Josh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean for this to happen. I'm sorry. Sorry. Do this.
I thought I chose her.
Stop it. You can't do this. Please.
No!
Don't look at me.
What happened?
Tell me he's okay, please.
I'm coming, Ash. I'm gonna get you down. I'm letting you down. Shh, stop, please.
This game just tricked me.
Come on, we're gonna get you out of here.
No!
You gotta go, okay?
This game just tricked me. Oh my gosh, he's still there. Just. Wow.
Ashley!
Wow.
Blood? Whose blood is that, Ash?
Are you okay?
This tragedy?
Chris,
Yeah,
what
this is
happened?
definitely a tragedy.
Josh, what, dude? He said.
Wait, they just tricked me, bro.
What are you talking about?
Maniac. Maniac.
Oh my god, we gotta get out of here.
I don't understand what happened.
There's a maniac, and there was a sign. It was either him or Ash, and I don't know.
Oh god.
It come right through, man, spilling out fucking everywhere.
What? Oh my god, Chris.
And I killed him.
What, Chris?
I killed him. It was my fault, man.
No, this is insane. We need to go get some help.
I got right in half.
We're gonna figure this out, man.
Matt, we need to go get help now.
We should look.
Why did y'all make me play another
Guess they're
chapter,
off
bro?
69ing each other, and who knows where Sam
I
is.
think she's in the lodge.
Fine, you're right. Get everyone else together, but if there's a maniac running around, I think we need to get some help too, right? Not just wait around.
This game tricked me.
But what about?
Why are we still talking about this? Let's go.
I didn't kill, bro. I did. Oh my goodness, dude. What am I playing? Ever, Crash, ever. Don't say it's because I killed the bird.
Things are getting pretty tense up there, aren't they? Is the night going the way you hoped it would?
No, it's really messing my head up. It's really messing my head up right now.
I see. And you think that these poor people are getting what they deserve?
No. I shouldn't have to answer that. Who are you, dude?
I'm trying to help you.
Told you the
game
bird was
you
most
play.
important. Nah, you no way.
You understand that it's not good for you. It's not good for anyone. And I can't say that you're being particularly honest in the way you
There's
play.
no way. I'm not gonna believe the bird is the most important character. You're not gonna get me to believe that. There's no way.
Intend to continue with this elaborate self-indulgence?
How did he teleport like that? You're freaking me out,
Do you
dude.
even believe that I am real?
Yes, I believe you're real.
The heart of the problem, it all comes down to this. Can you really tell the difference anymore? I doubt it.
Undertaker? Who is this dude, man? What's going on, bro? Like, my heart. Chapter 5, Dread. We are halfway through this game. I got complacent thoughts over many nights. The drive is static, I'm wearing bags under my eyes. The weight is heavy, it's pulling tears straight from the failure. Adapted to the struggle, weary of getting nowhere. A sound of comfort, it knocks in my door.